All right, chemistry, we are looking at chapter 17. We're looking at kinetics. And if you remember, kinetics is all about how fast a reaction occurs. So how quickly the reaction occurs, and it is dependent upon many different things. So make sure you look back at the collision theory, understand what collision theory is saying. Basically, particles have to collide to react. They have to collide with enough energy, and they have to collide with the right orientation. So make sure you understand that. Activation energy is kind of like the spark that gets the reaction to begin. Remember when we looked at energy diagrams, if the reactants are here and the products are down here, that would be a reaction where you're starting at a higher energy than where you end, and that would be an exothermic, but they still have to go up over that activation energy hill. They don't just go straight down. They have to have some type of spark, some type of initial energy boost in order to get the reaction started. So they have to go up over that activation energy hill, and that energy level, that distance there is your activation energy. A catalyst is something, some chemical, some species that is going to help a reaction occur faster. You have to know that it is not consumed in the reaction. It just assists in order to get particles to come together and help them collide. And then you need to know the factors that influence reaction rates. For example, nature of reactants, surface area, temperature, concentration, and catalyst, and understand how each of those on the molecular level is affecting the rate of the reaction. Okay? There's not a lot of calculations here in chapter 17. Mostly it is vocabulary and information, but I strongly suggest you go back and look at the interactive reader and make sure you review each of these topics and just read through the interactive reader again, as well as look at the questions in the interactive reader, and look back at the practice quizzes in Schoology. Those will help you understand what kind of topics you'll be tested on. Okay? As always, let me know if you've got questions, and I would be happy to help.